An order by the Chesterfield Circuit Court draws reaction from the legal community.
It's a bit of a head scratcher. Issuing an order is pretty unusual.
I don't know that I can recall a court order, making this sort of a determination before.
Chief Judge David Johnson issued this on Tuesday, saying the court will temporarily not appoint cases to the Chesterfield Public Defender's Office due to a current and historically persistent lack of qualified and suitable attorneys assigned to that office, rendering it unable to provide adequate representation for indigent defendants. He continues that inconsistency in the appointment of public defender or private court-appointed counsel creates at least the undesirable appearance of a two-tiered system of indigent defense services. Here's CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone's takeaway from the order.
Justice suffers. Innocent people might go to jail that don't belong in jail. People might go for longer than they should be going.
The Chesterfield Public Defender's Office was established by the state to provide legal counsel to people accused of crimes who cannot afford a private attorney. Maria Jankowski, executive director of the Virginia Indigent Defense Commission, did not want to appear on camera, but she says the office's creation was not meant to replace private counsel who take court-appointed cases.
I think there's a misunderstanding in Chesterfield that somehow the public defender's office supplants the private bar. That is not the case, and it is not the best practice. The best practice and where you see jurisdictions thriving is when you have a well-funded public defender and the private bar is adequately and properly compensated.
Last year, we spoke with Chief Public Defender Michelle Jefferson Reese when she first requested a pause in cases.
We do great work here, but we don't want to take more cases than we're able to represent effectively.
She cited staffing shortages at the time, which Jankowski says remains a challenge. While the state now offers a starting salary of $73,000 for public defenders, the county does not supplement pay like it does with prosecutors.
So Chesterfield's a real outlier as a big metropolitan office that doesn't have salary supplements.
She says the county's neighbor does offer pay parity, creating competition.
So, for example, Richmond very generously supports the public defender's office, and so you can go across the river and make a lot more money in the Richmond public defender's office.
According to Chesterfield's budget, the county gives the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office $6.6 million for personnel and nothing to the Public Defender's Office. Top prosecutor Aaron Barr says their lowest salary is $76,000, and the budget shows a new prosecutor job was opened for $111,000.
The fact is that when you don't fund public defenders well enough, then justice suffers. Innocent people might go to jail that don't belong in jail. People might go for longer than they should be going.
The order is to remain in effect until all judges unanimously decide to amend it or until a judge amends the appointment of cases that are assigned to that specific judge. Here at the Chesterfield Courthouse, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.